All right, hey, this is a action5, and I'll show you how to get the screens to turn off. First thing you do with the cable unplugged, you want to have that off so you can get down to the menus, go in here and go into the cog. And you're going to want to make sure that single screen preview is turned on, and then go down to always on display and make sure that it's turned off. The other setting that you need to check is this little thing in the bottom right hand corner. You see how it's like a full square rather than the square with the lines on the top and bottom? On the Action 5, not on the Action 4, but on the Action 5, this needs to be set as that full square. So then you can plug into a HDMI line. This is not UVC, this is HDMI. And it will go into the live stream mode. And right now you can see that the back screen is on, and when I flip it around, the front screen is off. I can swipe up here, and now the front screen is on, and turn it around, and the back screen is off. If you want both of the screens off, swipe up on the back screen so you have the back screen on, and then swipe down. I think it's down. Is it up? Oh, it's up. Sorry, my bad. So swipe up one more time and let the camera idle here for, I think it's like 30 seconds. And you'll see that this screen will get darker and darker and darker, and then it will turn off, and then both screens will be completely off. So we'll just chill here, and I think it's not that long. Yeah, you can see it's getting darker now. And so how are things? And eventually it will completely turn the screen off, and then you just have to tap the screen to turn it back on. So if you want both screens completely off, then that's how you can go about it. But personally, I find that it's kind of fine to just have one or the other screen on. And I don't know if this actually needs to be demonstrated all the way to off. I'm feeling kind of awkward now. I don't know what to say. Let's see. Oh, there we go. See, now we got the back screen is off, and don't touch that screen. Front screen is also off, and it's still streaming in HDMI mode. If you're in UVC mode, everything will behave the same way. However, in this mode, you don't have that same thing. So now we're in UVC mode going into webcam mode. And if you want the screen to turn all the way off, again, only one screen is on at the moment. If you want to have both screens turn off, just tap this. It'll bring this up, and then just don't touch it, and it'll do the same thing. It'll time out eventually, and it'll turn off both screens.